Okay, y'all, so we got caught in the rain. It's a hot mess. Ooh, I done walked in the rain for a block, y'all. But we made it to the color factory. So, it's in the Willis Tower.
It's the Sears Tower.
Excuse me.
6-shade color palette inspired by the city.
So
in
pretty.
each of the little tiny holes, we'll see the exact place or thing that each of those colors was pulled from. So you'll see those colors actually quite a bit. First place you're going to see them is right above you in the sunrise and sunset of Chicago. Second place, we have some jelly beans back there in those colors.
Head on through. You excited? I don't know. Let me get through because I don't know you want it without me in it.
It's not asking for your first name and last name. The reason we ask for emails because the Emmy Experience here at Color Factory, they send you your photos there for free. It is available up to your account for up to 3 months. After 3 months, it will be deleted. Do you want to raise a little higher? Perfect. Just a little. There you go. Hold it. Perfect.
I gotta make sure I don't walk into anything.
I know, we're going to run into the walls. Boy. Isn't that cool? Love that. Ooh, the popcorn room. Oh, cool.
Explore self-color, expensive taste, and the way we do that is through a bit of a blind taste testing challenge.
Oh,
So what you're
okay.
gonna do is you're gonna take one of these viewfinders, you're gonna take all 3 packets of Pop Rocks, and then go into the next room, sit down at any available station. You're gonna taste each packet 1 through 3 while you're flipping through the viewfinder. It's gonna show you a bunch of different color options, and you're gonna try to figure out what flavor you're tasting based on what color.
Oh. All right. Okay, y'all, so this is the first flavor I'm supposed to guess. Let's see if I get it right. First of all, it's like yellow in here. So what y'all think that is? Can y'all see it? Let me see.
You just chugged them. What color do
Banana.
you taste?
I was right, banana. Oh, good. You can tell by the yellow. All right, number 2. I know they give me another banana, y'all. Do I like bananas, y'all? Do I even like bananas? I do not. Huh.
It's not banana?
I stand corrected.
What is it, like
If
mango?
I do say so myself. Lemon. Come on, no. Come on, y'all. Round of applause for your girl. Your girl got the knowledge, baby. Hold on. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know what I did. And for the last one. Woo. Oh, maybe they're all yellow.
Mm.
It's like a. It's good though, but I don't know. It's like a. I don't know what this thing doing. Yeah, it's like a chocolate or something. Okay. What color is yours? Yellow?
Yellow.
Let me see. Okay. Taste it. See what it's. What's it giving? What is it?
It's like bubble gum.
Oh, I should have had that one. Look in your thing and see if you're right. You gotta do the thing. Was it right? Bubblegum? You gotta.
I don't even know.
You have to pull it all the way down. Yeah, like that.
I don't even know what this is.
Let me see. Oh, you got a chocolate thing. Have you moved it?
I probably did.
He messed his up, so we gonna leave that alone. Do
Yeah.
your next one.
It is like bubble gum. This one.
Woo, was it good? What's that one?
It's like lime, like lemon lime.
Yeah, that's what I had too.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it feels like lemon lime.
Your last one. They're good though, aren't they? What is it?
This one's definitely lemon.
Is it? That lemon one was fire, wasn't it? Yeah. See, they doing a trash can. They knew what we needed. Oh, okay. So the yellow was banana. The green was the lime. And I don't know what the other last one I had was. I'm not sure, but oh, it was 4. Yep, it was 4. It was cold. Remember I said it tasted like chocolate or something. Yeah, see, she know.
This next room is gonna have balloons in it. You're free to move them around for pictures. We
Okay.
just ask you to please be gentle with them.
Okay, thank you. We sure will.
Thank you.
Got it. Oh, this is so cute. Yeah, this is nice, ain't it, boo? I be finding us some good stuff to do. All right. Oh, no. They could have kept this room. They could have kept it. Next. I'm just playing. What you say when you gonna get your candy,
A
though?
lot of taffy in there.
Okay. Yeah, they keep this one. Next. Oh, June, she's radiant, baby. She's uplifting, intellectually energizing, and she is energizing and stimulating. This is a color filled with radiance and light, and I am. This color has the ability to lift your spirit and bring sunshine into your life, baby. Come on now. Mercury. The planet of communication moves through the heavens during the month of June. Yellow is known for stimulating the brain and increasing intelligence and mental agility. Wearing, meditating on, or surrounding yourself with this color connects you to joy and is known for increasing your memory and communication skills. Baby, what? And she is. Come on, baby, tell them about March.
March.
Let's
Pisces
go.
gang over here. So, intuitive, subtle, and empathetic.
Yeah.
Dreamy and elusive, this color helps guide you between the conscious and subconscious worlds. This color evokes the qualities of trust and clarity. Neptune, god of the oceans, presides over the month of March.
Okay.
Wearing, meditating on, and surrounding yourself with this color also helps you see past the world of appearances.
Yes.
It can also help increase faith and psychic ability.
You know what stood out to me, helps you see past the world of appearances, and that is you. That is you.
5th of March.
All right, let's
See
go
what we
then. We ain't finna read all that now. You read it to yourself and meditate on that thing there. So this is my door. Leroy, go to your door. Bye. Sorry. All right, in we go. All right. Observe the person sitting across from you. What are the colors that you see that make the person unique? Use the color pencils to fill in the squares with your answers to create a color palette just for them. What in the world? Oh. So this is what Leroy gave me. This describes how he feels. This is the card that describes how he feels about me. And this is how he drew me. These are the colors that made him think of me, pink and yellow. And this is his drawing of me. And baby, them eyes is popping, honey. And I agree with those eyes. Popping. You sound sweeter than Chicago blues. Is that true about me? Mm-hmm. You're amazing. Like an ice cream factory. You know what I'm talking about? You want to get in there, babe? It's a slide. No, you won't. Look at these big kids. They bigger than you. nice little trinkets, but I don't think I need nothing. Sunshine, Mr. I was gonna get this Chicago shirt, but I'm gonna have to pass. Oh, that's kind of cute. But it don't match my decor. Get that Chicago sweater. It's cute. My husband want me to get the heck up out of this store. Look at him. He way over here.